I'm Mike Eglin, General Manager of the Barrett Company.
And I'm Craig Schaaf, the National Sales Manager of the Barrett Company. Today we're going to be showing you the application of one of our products, RamProof GC. RamProof GC is a single component elastomeric rubberized asphalt. It's cold liquid applied, can be used over green concrete, EPDM, TPO, as well as a few other products that you might run into. It comes in all different grades. You're usually using either a notch squeegee, it comes in a roller or spray grade, but we can also get that up to a trowel grade depending on what you're using it for.
One of the biggest benefits of the RamProof GC is that you may not have to do a full tear off of a roof, so it could save a large amount of money and time.
When you're not looking to do a full tear off and re-roof, you'll find it a nice, easy product to accomplish what you're looking for.
Before starting, gather the essential tools. A high-speed drill with a mixing paddle for blending components, squeegees or notch trowels for spreading, and 1/2-inch nap rollers for joint sealing. Don't forget safety gear like gloves and protective eyewear. These tools will ensure a smooth and consistent application.
Before starting, a thorough inspection of the substrate should be carried out to confirm that it is ready for application. Make sure that the surface is clean and free of all dirt, water-repellent compounds, residue, and any other foreign matter. RamProof GC should be thoroughly mixed using a mechanical mixer at a slow speed to ensure a smooth and consistent material. Take care not to allow air into the material to avoid bubbles or air pockets in the mix. All protrusions, holes, or cracks under 1/16 of an inch wide should be covered with roller-grade RamProof GC or non-shrinking grout. Anything between 1/16 to 1/4 of an inch must be reinforced with polyfelt 125 VP polyester reinforcement fabric. To begin, pour the mixed RamProof GC in a full and even line from top to bottom across the entire surface. Then, spread the mix evenly over the surface using either a brush, roller, squeegee, or sprayer, depending on the grade of the material. RamProof GC is designed as a single coat application and can be applied at a rate of 60 mils or 20 square feet per gallon. The result is a 100% seamless 40 mil thick, monolithic waterproof membrane that resists hydrostatic pressure, bridges cracks, and will move with the expansion and contraction of the surface below. Prior to backfilling, allow RamProof GC to cure for at least 24 to 48 hours, depending on temperature and humidity. Protection courses should be set in the material immediately for optimum adhesion and performance.
The RamProof GC is compatible with our full line of protection course. Normally, you're going to be using either our 306, which is our granulated cap sheet, which is UV protected, or our 203 when the RamProof GC is getting buried and overburden is being installed after the waterproofing installation.
Warranties depend on the thickness of the material. So for a 10-year warranty, finished mill thickness of 60 mils, and for a 20-year warranty, finished mill thickness of 120 mils. At which point, you apply your protection or cap sheet. For more detailed installation instructions, safety guidelines, or product specifications, visit barrettroofs.com or contact your local Barrett representative.